Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Scale. So it's been long that I have posted a video. It's been more than a week now. So this week was super hectic. I was not able to make a lot of videos. So here I am again, back with my daily routine. I am going to install ArrowOS today. That is the ArrowOS latest version of August with the August security patch. And right now, this is the Pixel experience. And let's start the video now. So number one thing, as always, so since I am having a security lock on the phone, and just in case if you people are curious how to install this latest build and how the latest build performs, the video is right here in the I button. So number one thing, we go to the security lock and we remove the password, whatever we are having here, and this will definitely help us in a lot of ways. So now all we need to do is go to TWRP section by pressing the volume up and power button both at the same time. It will lead us to the TWRP section. And just in case you are curious, the download link of the ROM is in the description, as well as I am going to put a detailed steps how you can install this ROM in the comment section or in the description box. So do check it out. After that, if you people are already in ArrowOS, you don't need to format your device. If you are on another custom ROM, then you definitely need to do that. So number one thing, you have to go to wipe. You go to advanced wipe, you clear the Dalvik, cache, system and data. You don't need to wipe the internal storage, right? So this will this won't erase your internal storage. So right now I'll just do this and swipe. I hope I don't have anything in my phone, so I'll just do a swipe here. This will wipe out the sections, and I'll simply give it a reboot and again swipe to this. Now I again press the volume up and power button both at the same time, and this will again enter me into the TWRP section. So again telling you, if you're on ArrowOS or on other custom ROM, you don't need to totally format it. So this method will just work fine. And now we will allow swipe to allow modifications. Right now, as you can see, there is something in the phone. Okay, let's look at it later. So now let's copy the ROM file in the phone and let's proceed further. So here I am. I have successfully copied the ROM files in my phone, and there is an update that just whosoever is installing, just do a clean format and a clean flash. That will only work, because I tried doing this a simple normal wipe, but that did not work. So I formatted my whole device by going to format data and pressing yes, and then again getting back to the TWRP. So that method did not work. I don't know if that will work for you as well or not. So I will simply clean flash and I'll install it. Now as you can see here in the install section, I have the ROM file, and I'll simply click on this swipe to confirm flash. So this step will take around about 5 minutes, and I will see you on the other side. Just let me tell you that we are having August security patch, and the Android version is still L11, because the stable builds of Android 12 are not there. Obviously there are builds, and a lot of people have been making videos on that as well, but they are not super stable, and you cannot just use them as a daily driver. For example, in some builds the video calls are not working. In some builds the SIM card is not working. Either one SIM is working, the other one is not working. So it's not super stable yet. Very soon it will be stable when Google releases the Pixel 6, and after that we can hope seeing stable builds of Android 12 for our awesome POCO F1 and other smartphones. So I'll simply fast forward the video from here, and I will meet you on the lock screen. And since this is the GApps build, so it might take around about 5 more minutes for me to set the device up. So I'll meet you on the lock screen with all of the features of the phone. So here we are, we have successfully installed the ArrowOS in our device, and now you can see that the icons are looking totally beautiful. And this is one of the finest things of ArrowOS. Number one thing, it's super smooth, and you get all the stock features in minimum possible size. That is, no bloatware, nothing. We have a camera. I think this is just very simple stock camera that does the job definitely. So you can see it is clicking pictures as well. So that's very basic camera, and you see a little animation over here going on whenever you click on this button. So I'll just change the this wallpaper. This is a little light, so I'll just select this and I'll just set this as my wallpaper, because this just creates a reflection if I am not using this background. So oh yes, this is aligning properly now. Okay, so let's talk about the features. So we are already having a dark mode out of the box here. Let's see if we have a toggle here. Yes, let's see what else are we having here. So we have obviously the nearby feature, we have a reboot button over here, sound, screenshots, night light, and peak notification. This is something new. I don't know, I don't remember seeing this earlier. So let me turn on the dark screen and pump up the brightness. And if I go here, let's see what are these features. So this is something I think related to the, okay, let's see what it is. So heads up. Okay, this is something related to the notification. That is, if this is turned on, you will definitely see some peak notifications. For example, you know, a notification that pops up like this. So that is this feature. And if we go back again and we have a screenshot button over here, partial screenshots, and how you want to take the screenshots, right? Like full screenshots or what? So let's take a screenshot. Okay, like this. And do we have other options? No, right now we don't have, because we are just on the home screen. Let's see if we have that feature in the settings. So let me just take a screenshot, and I am not seeing a long screenshot button over here. So let's see what it is. Okay, I think so we can also take a partial screenshot. I don't know how to do that. Let's test it out with, okay, like this. So this is some partial screenshot option as well. So okay, nice feature and good to have. Okay, if we go to the system settings, and this is already Android 11, you know that. Up in the about phone section, if we go back and go back to the, where is it, here it is, Android 11, ArrowOS 11.0, and the kernel, it's Arrow G3E something. So this is, I don't know, I'm not very sure of this, so you can, you know, just have a look and have more information on what it is. So let's go back and let's go back to the button settings. Okay, we are having some definitely this ROM also comes with a lot of customization. So main feature, we go to security, and we are having the security log, very normal ones. So we have fingerprint lock, we have face unlock, and we do have an app locker as well. So definitely something very nice here. So on top of that, the ROM is encrypted as well. Let's see if this ROM passes the safety net. So I'll just write safety net. Let's see if it passes or not. So I'm simply installing it. Let's see if it passes or not. So we're going to run a test, and bam, this is passed. So definitely something good, that is your payment apps will work fine as well. So what else settings are we having here in the battery section? So we have a battery. Okay, this is very generic, nothing special over here. And on top of that, okay, battery charging light is here. That means this light in the bottom, this will blink while charging. And other than that, do we have thermal profiles? Battery manager, no. Okay, we have thermal profiles over here. So you know, if you're playing games and stuff, you can simply toggle these profiles according to, for example, this icon is for game. I'll click on this and I'll choose the gaming button, and as soon as I click on the camera, the gaming mode will start. So this actually is used to boost the performance of the phone. So that's how this is. And if you have more questions about the ROM, how it performs and other stuff, you can ask me in the comment section, and let's see how is it good to use as a daily driver or not. Or other than that, I feel the animations are super smooth, and as you can see, the app loading time is great, and just see it looks super smooth. So let's see, and I'll use this ROM and I'll tell you how this ROM feels like. I will update everything in the description box. So I'll see you in the next video. That's all for this video. Bye bye.